Sexual harassment in colleges and what we can do to prevent it.
We researched sexual assault and what we could do to help prevent it. We learned multiple ways how we can help prevent people from sexual assault and rape, and more that we can do to change the amount of people that get raped every year.
By the time they're seniors, 33% of women and 39% of transgender or genderqueer people report being a victim of non-consensual sexual contact at least once. Over their years in college, between 20 and 25% of women and transgender students say the experience of sexual assault. Over their years in college, between 20 and 25% of women and transgender students say the experience of sexual assault that involves physical force, like being held down, threatened with a weapon, or having someone assault them when they're asleep or drunk. Only about 20% of most people who didn't report the assault said it didn't seem serious enough. Fully 1/3 of victims of forced penetration did not report the attack because they were embarrassed, ashamed, or that it would be emotionally difficult. Almost as many students said they did not think anything would be done about it.
The most severe penalty a college can impose is expulsion. An issue at the University of Montana were several cases involving football players accused of sexual attacks on females. When an individual is raped in this country, more than 90% of the times, a rapist gets away with the crime. A random sample of 1,882 students were found. 120 admitted rapists, including 76 serial rapists, each with an average of 14 victims.
We may not stop sexual assault and rape happening so often in colleges, but even if we are able to help one person with one outreach, it will be enough. The numbers are so high. The numbers are so high. With our outreach, it will be enough. The numbers are so high, up to 1,882 students, and found 120 admitted rapists, including 76 serial rapists, each with an average of 14 victims, that anything could help, even a little bit, to at least lower the amount of rape/assault. How we can help. Although there is a small possibility of being able to completely prevent it, we all know that it may help the cause but not completely prevent it. That is why we have came up with a kit to help prevent it but not always stop it from happening at all in a general state. Our kit provides the following. I just wanted to sum it up. Product is worth $31, the pepper spray is worth $10, the whistle is worth $1, the pocket knife is $11, and the keychain is $9.
The college school fundraisers provide enough money for them to distribute them to the students who are in need of them or ask for a kit. The fundraisers get donations for students and people in general who need a product like this to keep themselves safe. The school and all the volunteers hold a fundraiser at least once a week to be able to help keep enough money to keep it going.